Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Nappy Life here. I hope everyone is doing well, especially during this pandemic. I hope you guys are all staying safe and practicing social distancing and just even though we have to stay in our houses, I hope people are getting some sun and taking walks and taking care of your mental health. I'm certainly trying to. So, I had a little bit of extra time on my hands. I decided to retwist my hair and I wanted to try a new product. So, right now, what you're seeing is freshly washed hair. Freshly washed and moisturized hair, and it's still damp, and my hair hasn't been retwisted or retightened in about 6 weeks. And I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Max Hold Gel. I purchased this gel from Walgreens. I believe it's also available at Target, and then if you don't have a Walgreens or a Target nearby, then you could probably purchase this on Amazon. I will find a link to it on Amazon and I'll put it in the description box. Okay, so the reason I decided to try this gel is because I wanted something natural, because I didn't want buildup. I tend to shy away from the traditional lock maintenance products like the Talia Wajid or the Jamaican Mango and Lime line. Anything that's marketed towards locks, I don't tend to go for it because they don't tend to be natural ingredients. I have tried a lock line that was all natural, Dr. Locs. Maybe I'll do a review on it. It wasn't necessarily for me, but I decided to go with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line because I use their shampoo. I like it. I'll probably do a review about that another video, and I've also used their conditioner. I've used it on my loose natural hair and on my locks. So that's the consistency of the gel. I didn't notice any flakes or anything as I was applying the gel. It was a bit sticky on my hands and also on my hair, but once my hair dried, then it was as if no product was in my hair. The reason I wanted to try a gel is because my last retwist after I stopped interlocking didn't last very long at all. By the end of a week, some of them were unraveling. By the end of the 2 weeks, they were pretty much almost all unraveled. And by 4 weeks, when I decided to wash my hair, about 90% of them had unraveled, and only a few in the front stayed in the retwist. That was actually the reason why I wanted to interlock my hair, was because the retwist wasn't lasting. So I'm hoping, since my locks are mature at this point, then I would have a better time. So I finished the back of my hair at this point. It was pretty easy. The toughest part though was placing the clips. As you can see, I'm just spritzing some water on my hair. It's literally just water in that bottle. And I tried to clean up the parts, apply some gel, and twist. And it took me all evening. I think I started my whole wash routine at 2 and I didn't finish till midnight because I'm still trying to get used to retwisting. So far it's going a lot quicker than the retightening, but it's still taking me some time to get used to. So yeah, that's it. This gel, even though it says max hold, I would say it's still a bit of a soft hold, because when I think of max hold, I think of gels like EcoStyler, which I haven't used since I was little, which has been a very long time. I don't know if the formula has changed since then, but I think of the EcoStyler gel, when you put it in your head, just look down your ponytail, it kind of leaves it a little bit hard, but not a hair is coming out of place because it's really holding it down. I don't get that from this gel. So as I'm editing this video, it's been about Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's been about 4 days since I did my hair, and all of the twists are in place. They feel secure. I don't have anything, you know, holding them in. None of them are unraveling. So it does a really good job of holding the hair in place. I just don't know if it's a max hold. If you're somebody who's trying to like slick your hair down, I don't know if you'd get that effect from this gel, but it's still a really good product. The only downside is that it's very sticky, but once it's dry, you don't feel that stickiness in your hair. And two, I don't consider this a max hold gel. I've definitely got max hold effect from boiling flax seeds for a very long time. I don't get that with this gel, but it does do a very good job of keeping your hair in place. And right now I'm finished. At first I thought I wasn't recording, but I am. I'm all done. I'm pretty satisfied with the results. Fingers crossed that this lasts, because I don't want to be doing my hair too often. I ended up putting my hair in 2-strand twists until it dried, and then I unraveled it. If you want to see what my hair looks like now, or just to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram. It's at the Nappy Life. So yeah, pretty satisfied with how my hair is looking. It's already a lot thicker now that I'm retwisting instead of interlocking. But that is all. Stay safe, folks, and I will see you in the next video.